Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you some general information and a brief overview, as well as my first impressions on this KnifeSaga block knife set sent to me by the seller for evaluation and available to you on Amazon. I'm a huge fan of KnifeSaga knives. I've had several sets of them and I've also used them as gifts. Let me tell you what I love about them. Maybe you will love them as well. The first thing that you're going to notice right when you open them up is the way that they feel. They feel amazing, and they certainly feel like they cost a whole lot more than they actually do. For me, it comes down to the quality of construction and the quality of materials. These are made with a high carbon stainless steel. It's a single tang design. What that means is the blade and the handle are one piece of stainless steel. You don't have to worry about it being separate parts, which means that they could come apart over long-term use. This is one solid piece of stainless steel. This particular set has some inlays on it. Some of them are stainless steel handles as well, but they're made very, very well. They're also nice and weighted, and the blades have a 10-degree blade cut. So what that means is you're going to have to use them less to get the food cut, to get vegetables, fruits, meats, whatever it is cut. You're going to have to put less effort into it, and it's going to help them last a lot longer. In addition, each of the handles is ergonomically designed. You can see it's got a little bit of a flange that goes up to it, so that means it can stay in your hand a little bit easier. It's not going to slip out like some knives would. And it's got a great feel to it, whether you're left-handed or you're right-handed. And they come with beautifully made solid wood blocks. They are easy to take care of, easy to maintain for a long-lasting lifetime. I would recommend hand washing them. Quick hand wash, you're ready to go for the next meal. When I'm cutting foods, whether it's vegetables, fruits, meats, fish, whatever it is, I just absolutely love the feel of this knife in my hand while I'm getting the job done. I have a lot less pressure on my shoulder and my wrist in order to cut these foods because of the way that they're designed, and I really do appreciate that. I love the way they cut. I love the way they feel. KnifeSaga also makes a great gift idea, whether it's for a wedding, for a birthday, for Christmas, or any other type of holiday, or if you just wanted to get it for yourself and give yourself a great gift, these are perfect for that, and they're going to create great memories. Whatever set that you pick from KnifeSaga, let me tell you, I'm a huge fan. I've had a couple of sets myself. I have given them away as gifts as well. I think they're just absolutely amazing. Precision crafted, solid feel, a great value. If that's what you're looking for in your next knife set, I highly recommend that you give KnifeSaga a look. They go beyond. It works for me. Maybe it'll work for you as well.